Hi, Hostess. Thanks so much for hosting a party with me. I wanted to come on and give you just a couple of quick tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your party. So first and foremost, you want to invite, and don't be picky about who you invite. Let them decide if they want to join your party or not. So I always try to say to hostesses to try to invite 30 people or so, because not everybody's going to join, but it doesn't hurt to offer, and you never know who might be interested. And so somebody who doesn't use our nail polish might be interested in makeup or a nail care line. We just have so many different products to choose from that usually there's something that everybody will enjoy. But you don't want to hit that little invite button in the top corner of your group. You really want to reach out in Messenger or in text message and send them the link to your group and ask them if they'd like to join. Or if you do invite, don't just dump everybody in your group at once. If you do want to invite that way, then personally message them and let them know that, hey, I found this amazing product, this amazing nail polish. I can do 10-minute mani, or these clean makeup products that I have grown to love. I'm hosting a party. I'd love for you to join some fun. There's going to be great giveaways, and my hostess or my stylist, me, will send you a free sample of the product just for joining the party. No purchase necessary, no pressure. It's just going to be some lady fun. And then send them the invite if you want to do it that way. But please personally reach out to everybody, because nobody wants to be put into a group that they don't want to be a part of. And it will affect the Facebook algorithm. I don't know if you know anything about that. I've come to learn a lot of different kind of tips and tricks, and you definitely Facebook wants you to have a relationship with people. They do not want us to be salesy. And so you will see a much better turnout of people that want to be in your group, and you'll see more participation by inviting them personally. So send them a personal message. I'll send you some verbiage to help that just says, hey, I am having a Facebook party through Color Street, and I'd love for you to join us. There's going to be some fun giveaways, discounts, new product launches, all kinds of fun. And so just shoot them a message. Okay, tip number 2, and this is super important for you. So make sure that you are commenting and giving the posts a like or a heart, just to keep that algorithm going, because the post that I'm posting will be more visible to your friends and family if you are also commenting on them. So if you comment, if you see something that you think would jump out to somebody that you want, tag them in it. Say, hey Amanda, tag Amanda and say, hey Amanda, this is a shade I think you'd love, or something like that. So just be really interactive with my posts and things, and that is going to help make your sales higher, which loads you up on Hostess rewards, and it just keeps the party more fun and engaging. Always, if you have any questions, please send me a text or shoot me a message on Messenger. Questions that go into the party sometimes get lost for me, and so I can respond a lot quicker if you just send me a message, or just a message in Messenger too. My cell phone number, 651-428-6953. You can have that, call me or text me anytime. I am super excited to party with you. It's going to be a ton of fun. Thanks so much.